Openbox DJI Mini 4 Pro from Best Buy. Refurbished online, significantly cheaper than what everybody else paid. As you can see, looks still somewhat new. Fantastic. Comes with a cute little carrying case you can show off to your mom or grandma or sister or brother. Looks like it's been used vaguely. Got a little open little thing to put SD cards in to lose because they're about the size of your thumbnail. Side zipper comes around here. Got another zipper right here. Fantastic. Okay, we got to the wonderful contents of everything beloved. And we have a very not easy operable case. Alrighty, so it's definitely going to stick in there. It's very lightweight. Weighs about the same as an i14 Pro and a half. Got your little dingle dangle adapters there for your joysticks for all you arcade nerds out there. Got a little left click right button here, very Super Nintendo-esque. It's like your left bumper, right bumper. Got your antennas right here. They fold up nicely. They rotate in a semi 360 degree fashion. Nope, just kidding, 180. So that's kind of cool. Other than that, they fold down into this little wonderful overlapping, Jesus, Roman Nitley. Okay, well, that did fold down. Okay, so there you go. The right one has to fold down in front of the left one. That's how this works. Awesome. Buttons click good. For your ASMR nerds. Good clicky feel. Oh, it's got battery power. We're locked and loaded. You got your micro SD card slot, your USB-CB antenna, charging port. You got a couple of dingle dongle buttons on the bottom here, C1 and C2. Not really sure what those are for. Haven't read the manual. Don't plan on it. Inside the contents, the mother load chip itself, right here. Here we go. This is what we all came for. We have the DJI 4 Pro Mini with a sticker on the back. It says things of such nature. Please use the propeller holder to protect the propellers when storing. Fantastic. Don't want to break these little jobbers off. They probably go for about $12 a piece and they make them for 5 pennies. Take this little protective Captain America discount shield off and we have the gimbal with the camera. Ooh, the oscillation. Remember, it goes vertical now, kids, and widescreen. Got your sensing cameras for landing in 360. And then you've got some back ones right there as well. Cool, fantastic. What else do we have in here? We have the charging brick. This thing is a whopping 249 G. That's nice. The guy was nice enough to leave a little twisty tie from his Wonder Bread. Oh, look, I told you the charging outside without being plugged in. Fantastic. Other than that, we've got another container here. Let's see if they actually left behind the memory card for my poor rear end. Here we go. We got extra propellers in case you decide to be someone that likes to wreck things. And we've got a screwdriver for the propellers. And I do not see any other items in this case. And there's your unboxing ramblings. Yay.